Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the CL on a SMEG washing machine. Okay, I'll just show you what I mean here now. You press any button, okay, it says CL on, okay, which means child lock is on. So just to turn it off, you see this little key symbol here, okay, just above that. In this case it says steam. Just keep that button pushed in, you'll see a little countdown clock come on here. Okay, now your board is unlocked again. You can put on any program you want again. Job box. So hope the video was helpful and thanks for watching. Take care.